If you want to change DPI settings on OnePlus 15, we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. For example, we can open settings and go to display and brightness. Now in here we should be able to find the display size settings, and we can make everything larger or smaller depending which option you choose. Sometimes you can also get a notification about the simple mode, which you can also use in order to make everything much bigger, but in case you don't get the notification, you can scroll down to accessibility and convenience, and then in here we should be able to find the simple mode in this place. So here we can see how it looks like. We have some examples. And another way to adjust DPI on OnePlus 15 is by using developer options. So in order to enable developer options, we need to open about the device, then go to version, and you need to keep tapping on version number. You will have to enter your screen lock password in order to confirm that you want to enable developer options, and you will see a message at the bottom of the screen that you are now a developer. So once you see that message, you want to go back to settings and open the system and update. And over here we have developer options. Now we need to scroll down in order to find an option that is called smallest width. There we go, it is in the drawing section. So we can select it and we can change this number. The smaller the number is, the bigger the screen will be. And there are some limits, of course. For example, if I set it to 300, I believe it will be set to 320. There we go. But as you can see, everything is slightly bigger. But I can also set it to a huge number in order to make everything smaller. However, keep in mind that you don't want to use really large numbers, because if you enter really high values over here, then you can mess things up and it might be difficult to revert these changes. So let's say I'm gonna set it to 600, and as you can see, everything is really small now. So you can decide to which value you wish to set over here, and you can adjust it by yourself. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.